Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing an extra $1,000 in your account, all from something you created online. Sounds unreal, right? But trust me, it's 100% possible. You don't need no fancy degrees, no prior experience, and you don't need to be tech savvy. So, today in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact step-by-step process to help you make your first $1,000 online, even if you are a total beginner. So stick around until the end because I'll show you how to scale this to a 10K month. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. Please do go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. It's free and it will help the YouTube algorithm to push this video out to others like you who are new to making money online. Okay, let's get into it. Here's why 1K is the best starting point for you. Far too many people aim for 10K, 50K, or even 100K online right away, and then they get overwhelmed. Understandably so. If you are a beginner, here's the secret. Your first 1K online is the most important milestone, because once you've made that, you can do it again and again and again, and then you scale up. Think of it like this. You create a product that sells for $100. Then that product produces 10 sales, which equals $1,000. Then you have a $50 product at 20 sales equal 1K. Then you have a $500 service, and that's 2 sales equal 1K. So let's break it down step by step. Step number 1 is to pick a simple, profitable offer. So the easiest way to make 1K online is with a simple offer that people already want. And the best part, you can create it once and then you sell it over and over again. You create digital products such as ebooks, templates, guides. You can provide coaching or consulting. So this is where you help beginners with something you already know. Then there is affiliate marketing, which is about selling other people's product and you earn a commission from it. So here's an example. If you sell a digital product at $100, you only need 10 people to buy it, and boom, there's your first 1K online. Now, let's talk about how to actually get people to buy. Step 2, find your ideal audience. Here's the simple truth. You really don't need a huge audience. You just need the right people who needs what you are selling. And then you find out where they're hanging out online. You then go ahead and pick one platform to focus on. It could be YouTube, it could be TikTok, Instagram, and then you start creating simple content that solves their problem. For example, selling an ebook on, quote, how to start a small business. You then make short videos on common mistakes that people make. Give them quick tips and include success stories. Step 3, create a simple selling system. Now that you have your offer and audience, here's how to make consistent sales. 1, attract customers with content on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. 2, offer a freebie like a checklist or a guide. 3, sell your product, which is your ebook, your coaching, or your affiliate link. So here's an example. 1, you post 3 to 5 short videos per week giving some quick tips. 2, have a link in your bio to your product or freebie. 3, send email follow-ups or DMs to convert viewers into buyers, and it's really that simple. Don't complicate it. Don't overcomplicate it. And you then just rinse and repeat. Step 4 is scaling to 10K. So once you made your first 1K online, you can easily repeat the process and scale it up by increasing your price. You then sell a $200 product instead of a $100 product. Next, you expand your audience by posting consistently and growing your reach. Next, you add more income streams such as affiliate marketing, coaching, or more digital products. So here's the key. You keep doing what's working and build momentum. Here's a shortcut. It's my digital marketing in-depth online training course. So if you want to skip months or even years of trial and error and go straight to the results, then I've got you covered. My digital marketing training course gives you the exact steps you need to create your very own first profitable offer. You'll get in-depth training. You'll be taught how to attract buyers without paid ads. So this is a simple system to scale from 1K to 10K a month. Plus, you'll get weekly community support, which is so important. So you're never stuck, you won't feel alone, and you'll always be moving forward. So click the link in the description below and let's get started today. Now, I want to hear from you, so please do go ahead and drop a comment below and tell me what's your biggest challenge when it comes to making money online. Let's chat. Guys, like this video, subscribe for weekly strategies, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. So your first 1K online is closer than you think. Let's make it happen. Click the link in the description below and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.